Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the ear tips on the TOZO T20. Once you prepare your ear tips, then first of course we need to take out the old ones from the earbuds. In order to do that, you can grab the ear tip like so that you see how it holds, and then take it out like so. Just push it, pull it actually from the earbuds, and of course you can do the same with the other one. Just pull it away. Like so. Let's place the old ones to the side. And now in order to put in the new ear tips, we need to simply push it so that it matches the, let's say, ring. So try to match it and then push it forward. You should hear like a slight click, and in order to make sure that it is actually fully on, you can try to do something like this in order to see if it goes out, if you can take it out like so. Or you can grab it like so and then inspect around it to see if it's actually fully on. And of course do the same thing with the other earbud. And there you go. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.